We're building a game. It's called 5 Harvesto. We're going to connect real world farms to a metaverse game. You'll buy an NFT of rice in the game, and literally rice gets planted. That money goes to a farmer in the real world, and the farmer really gets to plant rice. Then the rice grows in the game, and then when the harvest happens in the real world, some of the money goes back to the guy who bought the NFT in the game. You're not just playing a game, you are feeding a farmer's kids. And the farmers get stuck in a debt trap where normally they have to get high interest loans to fund their harvest. Some kid on the other side of the world is going to be able to give this farmer zero debt money through the NFT purchase. And then the farmer pays him back. So everybody gets whole, and in the end, food reaches tables. There's a perk. You can add the factory perk. So you say, I'll buy $2,000 for a hectare of rice. Plus, I'll add a factory perk for $500. It's turning investing into commodities into a game that kids will love to play. And we have the farming population in the world. Farmer population is aging. Nobody wants to be a farmer anymore until you bring in kids who've been playing farming simulators, and then you connect it with robots that do the farming. It's farm to earn. Eventually, we'll just have the AI play the game, and the robots do the work, and we just eat the food and relax, and we find other games to play.